Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel, Human Look by La Glam. Okay guys, I've been away for like 5 months, and I've been having calls from friends and fans saying, hey Lita, why did you stop your channel? We love your content, you should continue. Okay guys, no explanations. I am back, and I am back for good. So right before the holidays, I went out with friends to have barbecue fish, and I got food poisoning. It kept me down for a couple of days, about 10 days. I was down on my bed. I couldn't stand up straight, and I had to vow that I would never eat barbecue fish from an unknown vendor. If I have to, I have to prepare it myself, and this video is all about how to prepare barbecue fish at home. Yes, so I went to my parents for the holidays, and my siblings were like, come on Lita, please can you do barbecue fish for us? And I said, okay, no problem. So fish is a very nutritious diet, and we know it is rich in protein. Outside protein, it is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, iodine, and vitamin D. It is very, very good for the skin. I love fish a lot, and here are some health benefits of fish. It improves heart health, contributes to muscle growth and healthy skin. It lowers the risk of stroke. It increases concentration and attention span. It alleviates PMS, premenstrual symptoms in women. It helps to treat liver disease. It helps athletes recover fast. These are the fresh vegetables we are going to be using for our barbecue sauce. We have the spring onion. We have the serrano pepper, known as shobo in Nigeria. We have the red hot pepper. We have the ginger. We have the green bell pepper. We have salt, thyme, and mango. So I'm going to wash again our vegetables. You know, we have to wash our vegetables thoroughly to avoid some organisms. Yeah. So I told you I had food poisoning after eating barbecue fish outside the house. So I vowed not to eat outside again. Yeah, so I'm going to cut the edges of the spring onion, because I'm going to use those edges for the fish barbecue. I'm going to insert it into the fish afterwards. Yes, so this is the spring onion, the good part I'm going to use. Now this is onion balls. I'm going to add it to the vegetable. I'm adding all the vegetables together and give it a good blend. Yes, just like this. Blend to your desired smoothness. Yes, this is what we have, and it's going straight into the pot. I'm using a little bit of vegetable oil and about 4 cubes of Maggi. Yes, 4 cubes of Maggi for the quantity of sauce I want to make. Yeah, so tough, but get it done. Yes, so I'm going to add a little bit of salt to bring out the taste of this barbecue sauce. I'm going to add dried thyme. Yes, your desired quantity of dried thyme. Then I'm going to add my grounded crayfish. I love crayfish on your barbecue sauce. We add curry. Yes, a little bit of curry, and that is it. All you have to do is to stir, and your sauce is ready. This is going to taste great. In fact, after making this sauce, you wouldn't use the off-the-shelf barbecue sauce from the supermarket again, because this natural one is so tasty. Just give it a good stir, and we are ready. I'm going to marinate my fish. Like I said, I'm going to use both tilapia and catfish for this video. Use your crayfish mangi to marinate. Yes, this is the spring onion I cut out earlier. Just stuff it in your fish. It gives it a very good flavor and aroma. Yes, so you just keep adding your barbecue sauce into your fish. Don't be shy. You have to add enough to give it that great taste that you want. Enough. I made some cuts at the sides of the fish with your knife, a very sharp knife, and those insertions I made, I'm adding my barbecue sauce in it. Just lift up and add in between. Then you add on the fish. Keep adding, keep adding. It is never too much. It is never too much because it is naturally made. So you flip over, you add your sauce. Just keep adding, just keep adding. Don't be shy. You add, and it's going to give this barbecue a delicious and heavenly taste. Trust me, it tastes so nice, so nice. You wrap with your foil paper. Always double wrap. And after your first wrap, you do a second wrap again. I'm just quickly going to wash my hands and finish wrapping this baby. Now this is the catfish. I'm going to use my crayfish Maggi to marinate. Like I said, it gives it a great taste. You know, a couple of times you eat barbecue fish outside and you say, the ingredients didn't enter inside. It did not just enter. You know, when you do it yourself at home, you will know that it will enter. Yes, we Nigerians, we like things that are delicious, a little bit spicy. You know, just use your Maggi cube to marinate your fish first. Yes, afterwards you're going to add your barbecue sauce. Yeah, so I have to do this very well because I need it to be tasty. Really tasty. And I am done. Next step, I'm gonna add the already prepared barbecue sauce inside, everywhere. You just want to add it everywhere. Keep adding. You know, I made insertions on the catfish. As you can see, adding the sauce to the insertions I made, so it gets in between. You add inside the fish, the head of the fish, everywhere. Just add. Like I said, don't be shy with your sauce. Keep adding. You can never add too much. It can never be too much. Yes, I'm just gonna keep adding till I get a wide coverage. Yes, a wide coverage. Don't be shy with it. Keep adding, keep adding, keep adding to your desired quantity, but you should make sure that you add enough. Yes, this is the spring onion I cut out earlier. You just stuff it in between the fish or inside the fish. There's a space in the head, a space under the belly. Just stuff it in. It gives it a good flavor, a nice aroma, and it just makes everything delicious. Yeah. So all you have to do is to wrap with your foil. Wrap with your foil. This particular catfish is large in size. like I said, I always double wrap with my foil, just in case you can't get a total covering of the fish because of its largeness. You can just cover the greater part of the fish with the foil, then you cut an extra foil just for the tail part and you wrap it, so you have total covering of the fish. Yes, and we are good to go, guys. It's so easy, it's so simple. Just give it a try at home. Yes, we're taking it to the coal. Just put it on the coal. After 15 minutes you flip to the other side, then after another 15 minutes your fish is ready. Thank you. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever a new video pops up. Thanks for watching. Bye.